Yo, what's going on, my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. As you see from the title, I've just bought a garage find BMW E30. So yeah, stay tuned, stay charged, hit that subscribe button. Got to get to Coventry and we'll show you the car. All loaded up. Already got a set of rims for it. Jeez! That should look 10-10, mate. Check out the rears. These are genuine BBS and they look a state. Right, breakfast done. Going in one Beamer to pick up another Beamer. Let's do this. Quite exciting moments. So yeah, right behind me is the garage find. We're gonna reveal it in a minute. Cheese! It's been about a year and we're back now. Fully equipped, hopefully.
Back with a bang.
Yeah, let's see if we can do this and get the car out. There she is.
Fucking hell, I think you're gonna give it a wash before you fucking drive it.
No, we'll just bloody drive it like that. Right, let's see if she fires up. I will be very surprised if it does. What the?
He's got it, it's all taxed and insured, yeah.
I can't see nothing behind me.
Oh, just come straight, yeah. Don't turn the steering at all, just straight. Rear brakes are seized.
Oi, right through.
Go on. Go on. Keep going. That'll do.
Go on, leave it here.
Yeah.
Now.
Okay,
Do we need the... I am absolutely shocked. Look at the state of this. But after 8 years, what the... Oh my God, this is a barn find or what, bro? You know what I mean? That is crazy. Right, so we're giving it a little service here. Now I'm already changed the plugs, leads. I'm doing the carburetor gasket because that's leaking from there.
MOT insurance है क्या
Yeah, MOT exempt, come on my G. MOT tax exempt.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's historic now, 40 years old.
सारी गाड़ी for 40 is a
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
Even ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਆ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਆ
So the ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ now, like 1983, MOT tax exempt. All of them.
I know this engine, not the one is chemical or the electrical one.
Oh, they're crap. Electric cars are crap.
वो तो नहीं होनी है
No, not electric.
these washes.
Oh, you can stop recording for now, Jess.
Sure.
Yeah. New carburetor gasket is on
Oh, you okay?
because there's leaking from this one. I don't know where from, but yeah, man. Look, there's my man. Say hello. 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 Right. So, Sid, the main man. Yeah, he's done the plugs. He's done literally everything on the car, carb gasket, everything. Now let's see if she starts up, shall we? Let us see. Look at this blue interior. Bomba. Come on, baby. Oh. Does the choke out? Yeah, I think choke's out. Right, stand back. Let's go. Oh, she sounds a beaut, mate. Woo! Jeez! And she's cut up. What do you lot reckon? Exhaust system on it or not? But yeah, I think we're good. I hope.
Start off good.
Smoking! Sounds mint, mate.
That's it, done. Thank you.
No more leaks. Cob's right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wicked. 87,000 genuine miles. Chase. Proper weird compared to my E46, man. I've been so used to that, where it's been a bit more refined, and this is just old. We got the barn find, and we've already got some wheels for it. Look at them bad boys. They're gonna look pretty. Let's get them on. I didn't read the bottom. Can't breathe. That looks sick. That looks actually sick. And that's not even on the ground. Look at the wheels. Yo, look at the wheels. We are done. Thankfully. Now, the mission is getting it back home. Let's show you the car anyway. Look at that arch gap. That fails the shoe test, bruv. Shit. Looks sick though. The wheels suit it, innit? Yeah, the wheels proper suit it. First things first, we're getting it washed. Because, yeah, she is filthy. Bloody hell, mate. Just put some juice in her. And now, we're gonna wash her. Chase! What are you lot saying? After 8 years, we've got the A-team, the main man, the main man, over here, and we got the car out. We got the car out. So, if you like this video, hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, stay tuned for more, y'all. And then we've got some work to do to this, cause the ride height.
Go for it, anyway.
Is not riding.